Hey guys, this is my first Kiesel build. My goal with this guitar was to get a Floyd Rose guitar that was under 7 pounds that I actually like. I haven't been able to do that in years. So this guitar is real stripped down, nothing fancy about it, but let's go through some of the specs that I chose. I did a truss rod cover delete, and at the same time, that's more weight off. Going for lightweight was the goal. Black Kiesel logo, Floyd Rose locking note, of course. These are the extra jumbo frets. I played a Kiesel with the medium jumbo, and I just preferred to have extra jumbo. I chose to go with the Luminlay dot inlays. I chose to go with the default lithium pickups. I did a tone control delete just because out of all of my guitars, the tone just sits there, and only time I mess with it is just to check it periodically to make sure it's turned all the way up. Plus, this is a metal knob that isn't here in a pot, so that's more weight gone. I chose the black hardware. I think the hardware is chrome by default. This has a 5-way switch. Something that I really like about this is instead of it just being a 3-way, like most cheap guitars that I've owned, it's a 5-way. So bridge. Position 2 is some kind of coil split combination here that makes it sound spanky. That is both humbuckers. That is another spanky position. By spanky, I guess it's kind of like a single coil Strat sound or a Metallica 1 sound. It's like a spanky clean. Of course, that position is the neck. This is an ash body, of course, and this is like some kind of thin shot of clear. They call it True Tone. You can feel the grain with this finish, so it is super thin. Look at this neck cutaway, man. That is super, super angled. I got just the standard one-piece maple neck. Now, this is tongue oiled, and here are the Kiesel locking tuners, which is a bit redundant if you got a double locking tremolo. This thing did weigh in at 6.5 pounds. That's 6 pounds 8 ounces. This scale showed it at 6 pounds 6 ounces, but it's actually 2 ounces off. Kiesel getting this thing down to 6 pounds 8 ounces is pretty impressive. Yeah, man. So I actually have my own Kiesel now. Thank you for checking the video out, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel so you can catch whatever I'm doing, just in case what I'm doing doesn't rank in search. And yeah, I'll see you later.